In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the filter gallery not working in Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you've converted your image into a smart object. Now you can do that just by selecting the layer, right-clicking and selecting Convert to Smart Object. Now once you've done that, you can see even if I now come back over to Filter, there's still no option to select Filter Gallery. It's just grayed out. So what you need to do to fix this is come over to Image in the top navigation, scroll down to Mode, and then first of all, you want to make sure you have RGB color mode selected. So if you have something like CMYK color selected, you want to make sure to change that to RGB color. So once you've done that, you can come back over to Filter and you can see that it's still grayed out. And that's because there's one more thing to do. So come back over to Image and Mode. And the last thing you want to do is make sure you have 8 bits channel selected. So if you have 16 or 32-bit, it's not going to work. Make sure it's set to 8 bits. And now if I come back over to Filter at the top, you see we have the option to select Filter Gallery. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.